supposed to sit?
Yeah, right. Yeah, that looks good. It looks nice and snug, huh?
Yeah, it is. It works really well.
Yeah. So he's cutting the metal strap that was used to lift the cap on top of the silo. He's got to cut that strap, and he's got to cut the post, or the cap to the cupola won't fit. He's got the chainsaw now. He's cut the strap. And there was nails in the way. Now he's going to use a chainsaw to cut off that extra post. So the cap will fit on. And there it goes. Voila. Okay, we're almost home. Okay, so he cut the post. Now he's going to, I've got a little spacer in there and some shims, and he's also got the cap. So he's gonna nail down the spacer that goes around the post, and then put in some shims just to make it tight. And he's going to test the cap, make sure it fits. Should fit just right. Yeah, it looks nice. Perfect. Looks good, huh? All right, good. And I'll see if he could do it all in one trip. If not, he can come back. Here's a full view of the truck and the silo. And he's gonna screw down the spacer and then put in the shims, and then come back and get the cap. There's just 4 screws for that, and that should be it. Now he's putting in the spacers. There's 4 spacers. The post was square. I made a round hole in the middle so he could adjust it. Yeah. Now he's screwing in the spacers. They're used 2.5-inch Torx screws, and I made a custom rounded edge spacer. It should work okay. Alright, now he's got the cap. There's some seams on the cap, so I'm having him orient the seams away from the house. And there's just 4 screws that use a square head driver. And so this is near the end, and looks like it should go up, finish up pretty quickly here. Whole thing took a little bit over an hour, hour and a half. Oh, there we go. Just sitting up there. And here you just put in the second screw. And he's gonna go around to do the other two, but essentially done. That third screw had to reposition, and I think there's just one more screw. There he goes. And that should be it. Oh, good. All done?
Yeah.
Okay, super. All right, so how'd it go up there?
Went really well.
right.
Super well. Instructions were perfect. Everything fit well, and got out of there.
All right, super. Thanks so much. And what was your name again?
Anthony.
Anthony, great.
Pleasure.
Yeah, no, it's good.
I mean, it worked really well. He had it all laid out pretty well.
Yeah, I'm a,
For someone like me, I need just whatever you want, just directly laid out. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's good. That works out. Yeah, I like it.
Yep, and that's what it looks like with the cupola on top. Next, I'm gonna do a door and a window. I don't know if I'll do a video on that, but we'll see.